everyone, welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? So today is Monday, and on Monday I typically like to go grocery shopping for the week. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. But before I go grocery shopping, I like to once in a while, I don't do this every single time, but at least once a month, I like to go through my kitchen, through my fridge, my pantry, clean it out, organize it, get rid of expired things. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, and I thought it would be fun to share with you guys, kind of give you a little motivational video. Also, at the end, I will be sharing a grocery haul, what we typically buy throughout a week, what are my meal planning ideas are for the week. I've done these type of videos in the past, so if you guys want to see those, I'll have a link down below, and let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what my fridge typically looks like at the end of each week. As you guys could see, there's not a lot of things in here. That is because I need to go grocery shopping. But first, I'm gonna go ahead, go through everything, see what I need to throw out, what I need to get rid of, and wipe down these shelves. Also, this is like my vegetable and fruits drawer. Need to go through that. And then also my fridge. I don't clean out my fridge too often because I honestly don't keep a lot of things in here. You need to get rid of a couple things that are in here. Cleaning out and organizing the fridge. I got rid of a bunch of stuff, a bunch of expired things that were just kind of laying in the fridge. So I got rid of those. I wiped down all the shelves. I use this to wipe everything down. It's Mr. Meyer's multi-surface everyday cleaner. Looks like this and it smells really good, but if I don't have that, I will usually just use like soap and water. This is what the fridge looks like after I'm done cleaning it out. It's basically pretty much empty. I just have a couple things that are left from last week, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, do some grocery shopping and restock this fridge. But I'm also gonna go ahead and organize our pantry. This is where we keep all of our dry foods, and it is a little bit messy. That's why I'm going through it and organizing it, but I'm just gonna show you guys the before. This is what it looks like, and one more over here. Cleaning out and organizing the pantry, it looks so much better. I got rid of a bunch of stuff. I have more space over there, which is great. I can put more things in there. Don't really have any like specific way of organizing the pantry since it is a kind of a small pantry. Have my cereals over here, some cookies, my pasta, grains, some snacks, our tea, coffee, peanut butter, our breads, and like chips, and just random things over there. And then in this bin, I just have like just some pouches for Vincent, some snacks, some chocolate, cough drops, and I just kind of keep everything in this bin. So that's gonna go on top over here. But I was actually thinking I might get more of these bins to go on top, so it kind of looks a little bit more organized. I am back from the grocery store. I just finished laying everything out on the countertop so I can show you, do a little haul, do all of my grocery shopping at Aldi. I just find it more convenient, more affordable, and it's just really close by my house, so it works for us. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I picked up for this week. Some blueberries, blackberries, some strawberries, kiwis. I usually don't get them every week, but this week decided to pick those up. Bananas, we always get apples. These are gala apples, green grapes, mushrooms, tomatoes, this like salad mix that my husband loves. Got some spinach for our smoothies, some cucumber, avocado. They weren't on sale this week, so I just got 2. Sweet potato, I usually kind of alternate between yellow potato and sweet potato. This week I'm gonna be making sweet potato. I also picked up these little tomatoes. I love these in my salad. Needed some salt, canned tomato sauce, and crushed tomato for the recipe that I'm gonna be making. This is Vincent's and my husband's all-time favorite cereal. Vincent loves the little marshmallows. He likes to pick them out. Got 2 of those. Also, Vincent wanted to try this cereal out. It's like a cookie cereal, I don't know. I got some Pop-Tarts. Vincent have been into these lately. They're just like little, I don't even know what they are. It's kind of like very thin cookie waffles. I don't even know. They look like this. But he really likes to snack on these. Also, I picked up some chicken broth, unsweetened applesauce, heavy cream for the recipe I'm gonna be making, some yogurt, some M&Ms for myself, cheese strings for Vincent, some sandwich cheese for sandwiches, eggs. I discovered these at Aldi. There are the tortellini, I don't even know how to say them, but they're basically stuffed with cheese, and you just boil them for like 2 to 3 minutes, and you can put like ragu sauce on top, or you can make any of your own sauce, or you can put them in your soup. Like, you can do so many things with these, so we've been loving these. And then also for this week I picked up some salmon. I'm planning on making some salmon with probably like sweet potato, so that's gonna be really good. Also, I picked up this ground turkey. I think we're gonna be making tacos this week. And then 2% milk, whole milk for Vincent. I have more things on this side. I have these veggie straws for Vincent's snacks. These marshmallows, I bought them not to eat. We're gonna do like a little craft with Vincent. And then I like these caramel rice snacks. They're really good. I picked up some goldfish for Vincent. He has been asking for it lately and I didn't have any, so I picked those up. Also, at the checkout, I saw this colorful goldfish, so I thought I would pick that up for him as well. The wraps for our tacos, some whole wheat bread, and bagels. That is everything that I picked up for this week as far as groceries go. Usually I get different things every single week because I'm making different things every week, so I need different stuff. But for this week, this is what I picked up, and all total I spent $101.02. So I stick to my budget. Usually my budget for a week is around $100. This is our weekly budget, and it works for us, a family of 2 adults and 1 toddler.